Hello friends, do you know when Global Hand Washing Day is celebrated? Yes, it is celebrated on 15th of October every year. On this occasion, I have an idea related to hand washing that can help you to save time, money and resources. When you do some repair work like fixing the bicycle chain with your hands, the hands become soiled with grease. They look messy with black stains. Now, if you are planning to apply soap solution and wash your hands, then stop, don't do it. It will take a lot of time to clean your hands. Then, how to quickly and easily wash the soiled hands? Just use coconut oil. First, put in sufficient quantity of coconut oil and rub the palms thoroughly. Now, apply soap solution and rub the palms thoroughly and wash your hands in water. In no time, all the grease and black stains will be washed away and your hands will become clean. Unbelievable, isn't it? The next time your hands are soiled with grease, you know what to do. If the video is useful to you, then please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.